let's see, okay? बहुत सुंदर है ये कैमरा भी बहुत अच्छा है हाँ? देखो नहीं really that's where people buy their clothes here. Wow. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my video. And yeah, today like it's a long story actually, because the last time on Friday, like the last Friday, I went for my medical checkup, and guess what, like my urine test was abnormal, so which is why like they asked me to do like retest. And unfortunately I got my period as well, so which is why I went back. And then today I'm gonna get it today. I hope this works this time, because I've been like delaying my documents to collect, and my company is asking me, to update the medical as soon as possible, because I'm joining soon. Yeah, so that's all about. I am going with my cousin, and she's having off today. Oh yeah, there she is. She told me like she was a little like shy. अरे यार नहीं एक ही चाहिए एक ही चाहिए नहीं एक ही तो क्या करो अरे यार come on नहीं तो change है आपका बस change है अच्छा okay. I got this flower. This is beautiful. I don't know who do I give. Let's see, okay. Because I saw it like on the way, and I kind of feel like maybe I should buy it. And I think this color is beautiful. I'm going to give to the one who's really very lucky person. Alright, I got a friend, like he was curious and asked like why I did vlogging, and then he was like, what's all this about? And then I said it's for my YouTube channel, and he was like, okay, can you show me? And then he did subscribe. He was like, I'm gonna watch like later. So that's him. Hi, say hi, bro. Yeah, we are like on his cab. Yeah, and that's my cousin once again. Yeah, that was like such a coincidence. I feel shy doing that. Oh, this is how people started early. Wow, how much you give? Aww. But anyway, like rather than asking money to like person to give some money, then doing something at least is much better, I guess. So yeah. John, I got my certificate. Oh, God bless. Okay, we're on the way back now. So like I was literally doing for the past 3 days, and I got this. Let's go. Oh my gosh, so happy. Oh, she's like, where should we go? Any idea? You want to go to Marine Drive? Not to visit. Okay, maybe we should go to Marine Drive. I hope the weather will allow us to go there. Yeah, because I think she has not been visited yet, so let's go. We are going there. Excited. With this letter, I hope I will not mess up this. I need to find some cover because this not safe. What if it gets rained, right? So we changed our plans. We just booked a cab, and yeah, we're going to Bandstand. We were supposed to Marine Drive, but I don't know, it's kind of like too far, and we're not able to find a cab here. Here you go. Alright, hi. Oh my gosh. That was very busy. 9072. Okay, we got on the cab. We found him. Yeah. So we're gonna wait to the bandstand. Oh, see. Okay. And yeah, it's really like humid as well. Oh, we're going on. Oh my gosh. This is what I hate the most. Sit down. Always. So like every time I'm at the front, this is like my punishment. Hello. Hi. What's up? Boy? How are you today? Good. That's great. I am also doing great. Yeah, Mumbai, so rest. I am taking rest. Rest. I don't know how to say it in Hindi. Damn, this is so bad, guys. My Hindi, मेरा हिंदी बहुत खराब है यार. Kurjun, she's laughing at me, bro. Sister, don't laugh at me, okay? I'm trying my best because I want to talk to them as well. And just like, I don't want to put in a position where it's very awkward. Yeah, yes, iPhone. iPhone 15 Pro. Yeah, 15 Pro. Very nice. Yeah, you look nice, obviously. Nice, yeah, it is nice. Okay. We met another person, which is so friendly, yeah, kind of cool. See, bro, you look handsome. हिंदी में क्या बोला handsome में अच्छा
सुंदर अच्छा
सुंदर अच्छा या handsome ना तो या आप बहुत सुंदर है ये कैमरा भी बहुत अच्छा है ना
कैमरा अच्छा है मैं
नहीं रियलिटी भी अच्छा है यार It's like I'm handicapped that I don't speak Hindi. Damn, I need help. क्या बोला bro?
You are very looking beautiful.
Oh, see?
You
Thank you.
Friend.
Yeah, she's my cousin.
Cousin.
My cousin, yeah. My cousin. मेरा पापा का I don't know. I don't actually know. Sorry. Let's stop that. Thank you though. शुक्रिया. Look at the view. Like I think it's the right like season that where the grasses and the plants are growing very well, which looks very healthy and yeah, it looks amazing. And we finally reached destination. It's pretty cool. Yep. It's not bad, I mean. That's where people ride their clothes here. Wow. Yeah, a lot of people. So we just sit on a chair like so yeah we're just gonna observe people what they're doing. It's kind of interesting watching everybody because see there are so many like couples. You can see like so romantic. What did you laugh? Romantic and cringe at the same time. What?
Wow.
Come in. Oh, bye. They're all the way up there. Dang. But anyway, it's just like, let's do some exercise, right? But I think we should walk across this road. Barista. Yeah. Shaking. See? More to go. Hi. Can we sit here? Thank you. But if we have to order, we can go out inside, right? Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll sit here. But oh, you have menu here already? Okay then, no problem. We'll sit here. Oh my gosh, we found a place. Let's say, yeah. There are a lot of sandwiches here. Chicken tikka and paneer rolls. Serve. Yeah, I see it. Coffee and sandwich. Cheers. Yeah. I bought that container. I mean the coffee cup. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Why so much yellow like that? And the coffee that looks pretty, just like in my eyes. Yeah. I didn't know that there's a fan in front of me, which is why I was feeling like cool and calm. Otherwise, it's gonna be very humid, right? Well, guys, we are heading back home. We just booked an Uber. We're waiting for the cab. And it's drizzling again. I mean, what behavior is this? Like, really? Hey, what do you want to say about today?
Thank you so much for everything.
For everything, like for what? I mean, oh no, it's not that. I'm not talking about that. I mean, like about today. Like, was it? Did you enjoy?
I enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, it's kind of funny also, right? It's a very fun day also. So basically, it's our off day as well. So this is the right time where we can hang out together. All right, guys, thank you so very much for joining and watching this video until the end. I like really appreciate it. This really means to me. Yeah, I mean it. And yeah, if you are new to this channel, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. It's gonna be like huge help for me. Yeah. Thank you very much once again. You have a wonderful time. Bye.